Hello dear colleagues, my name is Sophia and I'm here to show you a few tips and tricks on how to use the Manycam. So I've got a pencil here and I really like to use the drawing tool. So I'm going to go to draw, I'm going to choose the color, this is pink, and I'm going to choose how see-through I want it to be and what width. So once you've adjusted this, you can say now we're trying to draw. So we're going to learn M. M. So I'm using my right hand and my left hand to draw, which is unnatural, but you can practice this. Practice makes perfect. So go down. 1. Can you try it with me? Now you're going towards your face. 2. Very good. Are you drawing with me? And 3. Letter M. M. Then you can clear it. If you don't feel confident trying to draw at the same time, you can already do a template. So here I've got N. I've chosen blue color. And wow, we are going to paint. What color is this? Okay, blue. Yes. And now you can just put your brush over it. 1, 2. Yes. The M, N phonics chant. You can draw some pretty notes if you're ready to sing a song. So make it colorful. Encourage your student. Make it a very fun atmosphere. Remember in TutorABC Plus you can have a nice wide screen as well. So you'll be able to use so much space. Man on the moon. Not the broom. Yes, I'll go to my effects now. And I would like to choose the border. And what a good job you did today. Wonderful. You are a superstar. Ta-da! Don't forget to clear everything afterwards. So go back, click on it again, draw, click, and it's all wiped off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. What color is number 1? The good thing about speech bubbles is that they pop up where your face is. So, nope. Try again. Hello. Hooray! And click on them again to make them disappear. Okay. Bye. Again, if you want them to speak in complete sentences, try this. If someone says, I like swim. I like to swim. Look, look, look. Can you say it? I like to swim. Can you say it? To teach vocabulary words, you need to know where the stickers pop up. For example, the bag pops up at the bottom. Here it is. What do you have in your bag? Look and see. I have pencils. 1, 2, 3. And you can move things around. You just have to know which side to move your hands. So practice without the sticker first. Okay. And now with the sticker. And depending which hand you are moving. So I'm using my right hand for the mouse. So for example, the bag. Let's put the bag over here. Bag. Bag. Okay, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. There it is. Okay. What do you have in your bag? Do you have paint? Yes, I have paint in my bag. Let's move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Ding! For example, you want them to think of a word. Use the speech bubble. Ding! Okay, how can I say? And sometimes you might have to move around away from the speech bubble. How can I say this? What is this? Calculator. That's right. Good job. You get a trophy. There you go. For higher levels, you can ask where you're going. Okay, let's go somewhere. Are you going by plane or by bike? You can now describe your feelings with emoticons. Oh, I'm feeling a bit crazy. Crazy. Something so funny. Use them, make them come alive. Of course you can make yourself look funny. Okay, I'm a rabbit. You do not have to wear rabbit ears anymore. I'm a cute rabbit. Okay. You can even draw a carrot if you like. Try and practice drawing. This will help you as well, just to explain some words and then just to animate it. If you're teaching hats, you can put on a hat, and this one will never fall off. What color is my hat? What color is it now? Actually, I like to use the glasses when I read books. Read. Okay, read. Can you read for me? Of course, you can play tic-tac-toe without having the slide. We can just make one up. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can insert your own pictures. Okay, so let's see. Okay, think of the words that they know and maybe a few new words that you could teach them. And we can play tic-tac-toe. And of course you can set a time limit to your games now. Can you find all the clothes in 30 seconds? Okay, so quickly go to effects and show them the clock. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, are you ready? And you're going to set your time. Ready, go. And start. Okay, let's play hangman. I have 3 letters for you. 1, 2, 3. You can perfect your magic touch with time. It all takes time. So 3 letters. What is it? Okay, quickly change to effects and make yourself a cat. Meow. What is it? 1, 2, 3. 3 letters. Cat. Excellent. Now you can draw cat. So we're going to draw C A T. Cat. Good job. So I think that's all for today, and I hope this video helped you a lot and you can have lots of fun using Manycam in your next junior class. Bye bye.